guys, so this is a part 2 of the conversion of metric to imperial units and vice versa. So the last time we looked at converting 3 inches to centimeters using the conversion factor of 1 inch is equal to 2.5 cm. So this link will also be attached at the top of the screen, so please feel free to go ahead and take a look. So today we'll be looking at really a comparison between 2 units. So sometimes you'll get questions that ask you to compare, to analyze some information. So in this case, the question is asking us, is 3 meters more than 3 yards? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, so in solving these questions, it's always good to let them be constant at a particular unit. So in this case, we're going to convert the 3 meters to centimeters and also the 3 yards to centimeters, where it's easier for us to compare. So let's get into it. So 3 meters to centimeters. So it takes exactly 100 centimeters to make a meter. Therefore, 3 meters is simply 3 times the 100 centimeters. So therefore, it's equal to 300 cm. So we have that already. So it's now for us to just focus on this. But the thing is, this unit is of the imperial system. And we know in the imperial system, as it regards to length, we have inches, feet, yards, and miles. So it's kind of difficult to really just put down a value for centimeters. But we also have a clue that can help us. We can move this value to its simplest unit and then work from there. So remember, you have inches, then feet, and then yards. So there's also a conversion factor for each of them. So in the previous video, you can take a look. Alright, so it takes 3 feet to make a yard and 12 inches to make a feet. So therefore, if we're moving backwards to the simplest unit, we're gonna have to multiply. Why? From large to small, we multiply. So therefore, 3 yards is gonna be multiplied by the 3 feet per yard, and that's also multiplied by the 12 inches per feet. So everything has to be accounted for. So in this case, we have 3 being multiplied by 36. Alright, so you can work this out quickly. Okay, so we should get 108 inches. So this tells us that it takes exactly 108 inches to create 3 yards. So we're at this stage, however, we're still not at the centimeters necessary for us to really compare. So therefore, we have to convert this to cm. So we have to use the conversion factor of 1 inch is equal to 2.5 cm. So this means we're gonna have to multiply. Why? If only 1 inch out of the 108 accounts for exactly 2.5, it means that we still have 107 inches to account for. So in order to let our work be easier and more efficient, we'll just multiply. So that is what we'll do. So you don't need to write back inches down here. Why? We are moving to a different unit. So we really just need to focus on the value here. Alright? So work this out and let me know in the comments below. Alright, so you should have gotten 270 centimeters. So now that we have both of them in centimeters, it's now easier for us to compare. So we go back to the question now. Is 3 meters more than 3 yards? So we found that 3 meters is equal to 300 centimeters and 3 yards is equal to 270 meters. So this means that the 3 meters is indeed larger than 3 yards by only 30 centimeters. So this is what the question is really asking you for, just to compare. So please feel free to let me know if this assisted you. Let me know in the chat and you can try this one for homework. So this is your homework. Let me know if 6 yards is more than 5 meters. Let me know in the comments below. See you next time and stay mathsy.